If you don't have X particles, it's also possible to do that with the cloner. So click Alt MoGraph Cloner. Okay, so you go to Object and Mode Object, and in Object section you put the cube, and for the distribution you put surface. It should give you pretty much the same results. Count, you can up the count. And here, even if it's 300, you can type in the number that you like, and bam. And if you want to have like drop from different sizes, you just have to click on Cloner, go in MoGraph, Effector, Random. Okay, that puts you the drop all over the place. So you go in Random Parameter, and here you uncheck Position, and you check Scale. You can put uniform or not if you want like different. Yeah, let's use non-uniform. It's gonna give you very different drops. So if you have a drop of water that intersect in a weird way, you can change the seed. But if you want to have more control, you can just make it editable. Make a backup first, and then you make it editable. And like this, you can select any of the drop and get rid of them. Take this one, for example, that one, come on, that big drop. Okay, so, and that's it. Okay, so that's pretty much how I did to make the drop of water. If you know a better technique, feel free to share it with us in the comment section. And if you know a better technique, feel free to let me know in the comment section. I'm always eager to learn new tricks. If you know a better technique, feel free to share in the comment section. I'm always eager to learn and to share with the community. That's pretty much it. Have a wonderful day. It was VFX Daddy for VFX Daddy's Quick Tips.